What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Dogecoin today. Yesterday, I made a video explaining why Dogecoin is down. Now, today is going to be explaining why Dogecoin is about to do what it's going to do next. So stay tuned to find out. Anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now, let's talk about Dogecoin. So Dogecoin right now, the 24-hour market control is in control by the bears by 80%. Now, I don't even want to just put Dogecoin down like that. Everything's down. You see Bitcoin down 2.6% today, Ethereum 3.6% today, Binance Coin 6.2% today. Everything's down. Cardano, literally everything's down. So you got Dogecoin down 4.2% today, 13.5% in the last 7 days. Now, even though that's down that much, we still have everything else down too. Bitcoin down 10% in the last 7 days, Ethereum 11%. So it's not just Doge here. I want to make that extremely clear. So everything's down, and I mentioned why in my previous video yesterday. So definitely check out the video that I made yesterday. It pretty much explains why everything is down. And to put it long story short, it's the infrastructure bill that just now got released, the one that Biden put out, and there's some new tax laws in there, and there's a bunch of stuff that just spread FUD inside of the community, the crypto community, the stock community. Literally everything went down yesterday and the day before that. But anyways, let's go over what is next for Dogecoin, because this kind of just now sent a ripple effect through Dogecoin. So not only did this make us drop, now this is going to make us have a little bit of a bearish outlook inside of the near term. So first things first, you can see Dogecoin's price right here down 4% the last 24 hours, 13% last 7 days, all that good stuff. We were on a good little movement up here with Dogecoin. And when I say movement up here, I was talking about the long term, from here from September all the way up until November, we were doing so good. And now mid-November, we are now going down on a downtrend because, this news, this FUD, the fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So let's go over what exactly we have next in Dogecoin. So first thing I want to mention here is this area right here. We did have a green area, which is actually the supply and demand showing lots of demand for Dogecoin, but it has just now transitioned to red, showing less demand for Dogecoin. Now, the next green area that we have is way down here, 22 cents, showing that there's more demand for Dogecoin at 22 cents, less demand for Dogecoin at 23 to 24 cents. So that's pretty big right there. It's a pretty big statement. It pretty much shows that we're going to eventually end up hitting our support line down here at the 22-cent area. So let's go over this. Now, Dogecoin price could dump to 18 cents if Doge breaks the support. That's a big if Dogecoin breaks the support. So let's go over this now. So Dogecoin price shifts to the downside and forms a bearish channel. And mind you, everything has switched to the downside. Everything has formed a bearish channel. Everything is looking the exact same. I'm going to actually show you what I'm seeing inside of literally every single crypto. So first, I'm going to bring up like 3 different trading views here just to kind of show you that everything has the same momentum right now. So first thing you want to look at is Bitcoin. Now, I'm going to show you a trend pattern that is really prevalent inside of everything. I know I'm doing like a short little drawing here. Let's take off the indicators so then we can have a clean little view here. So everything is kind of forming this triangle right here. So everything, literally. So this is Bitcoin, right? And then over here, this is Dogecoin. Now, notice how it's literally the exact same pattern. So not only is Dogecoin forming a bullish triangle pattern, now Bitcoin is too. Shiba Inu is too. Everything. Ethereum is too. Everything is literally looking the exact same. So, and mind you, I'm making this video like impromptu, like right off the bat, because I do these analysis like that. Just show you being 100% transparent. I'm not doctoring things up, showing you and be like, it's going to go to the moon right now. No, right now we're inside of a little bit of a bearish moment, but this is what you call buy the dip. And that's why I love that saying so much. I'm buying the dip as we speak. I'm waiting for my money to come in with this, job that I work for, Baby Doge. I'm going to be buying Baby Doge. I'm going to be buying Dogecoin. But this is why being diversified really helps you out. Like, you want to own everything. You want to own everything from a house to maybe a condo, maybe some crypto, some stocks. You want to own some gold. You want to own everything. So when we have dips like this in the market, everything kind of went down, but gold is not going down. the houses are not going down. Those hard physical assets, they're not going down. But these digital assets like crypto and stocks, some would argue that stocks aren't digital assets. Some will argue that they're physical, but it's still digital. It's a digital asset to a physical asset class. So that's pretty much how you would classify it. But anyways, this is Ethereum, same kind of pattern here. This is Doge, same pattern. This is Bitcoin, same pattern. Should I move on to another one? And let's just show one more just to kind of, sum things up to a random coin. If I was doing this live, I would ask you all what random coin you want me to go over. But let's just say Litecoin, because why not? Litecoin has actually been having some, or lit. I don't know what Litcoin is, but let's just see what lit. Or I guess lit is Litecoin, or lit. I don't know what Litcoin is, but look, Litcoin is literally at the same amount here. So if you do this, the same triangle. So this is what everything in the crypto market is doing. You can see back to back, they're all looking the same. So it just comes to show that when we have something big happening in the market, literally everything is going to follow that same trend. So this is big right here. This is like a whole infrastructure build. This is really big. So everything's just going to follow that. So when I'm doing this analysis, put this analysis to everything that you're looking at inside crypto. Literally look at this analysis as if every single crypto that you're holding is following this pattern, because it is. So Dogecoin price, in terms, every single crypto's price shifts to the downside and forms a bearish channel. So Dogecoin price is on the back foot as Doge price slips below 26% or 26 cents. So Doge price accelerated further to the downside. Bears have broken the first initial support. This correction could hold another 20% of losses. Hint, this correction could hold another 20% of losses in overall crypto. So we're going to see Bitcoin drop 30% pretty much. So we already went down 10% in Bitcoin, right? Now, Bitcoin at its peak was about 66, not at its peak, but Bitcoin was at about 66K, right? So we multiply 66 times, or 66,000 times 0.3. Bitcoin is pretty much going to go down about $19,000, give or take. Let's just say $20,000 to be safe, because we were at 68,000. So Bitcoin going down $20,000 from here will bring Bitcoin down to 46K. We more than likely, if we keep having this 20% drop in the overall crypto market, we could see a 46K Bitcoin again. But anyways, let's go over this, because this would lead Dogecoin to going down to 18 cents and possibly 15 cents. But let's go down and watch what's going on here with Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is under pressure from bears taking over. Price is fading further to the downside, leaving the 27-cent monthly pivot behind as it extends its decline. Doge price is drifting lower as no solid support levels are there to slow its descent, except for one moving average. Another break would accelerate the correction by another 20% towards 20 cents. So we do have some support that they're kind of ignoring here. We have the 22 cents, not strong support, but then we have 18 cents, very strong support. So that's what we're seeing here. If those drops to 18 cents, just letting you know that dip is getting bought up by me and whoever wants to do that. Remember though, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, just saying I'm buying the dip. So Dogecoin price correction could hold another 20% of losses. Dogecoin price is on the back foot as its November fade continues and accelerates. Bulls tried their last attempt to break above the monthly pivot at 28 cents. So they failed with the start of this week. Pretty much Doge price already corrected 10%. So the 55-day simple moving average at 25 cents looks to be trying to halt the selling pressure. But as it stands alone with no other support of any kind, it is not expected to slow the sell-off, which means there is no real entry point for bulls to reverse the course. Now, Doge price sees bears starting their sell-off from an upper channel line, marked in purple on the chart over here, which you can see over here, the upper channel line that they're talking about, marked in purple here. Now, let's keep going on this. So you can see I lost my place a little bit here. A bearish trend channel looks to be forming, which could start accelerating the further downside moves. So on the downside, the green and red trend lines, as you can see here, the green going up there, green going up there, the red going down there, green being the uptrend, red being the downtrend, as you can see. So the green and the red lines are forming in an intersection around the 23 cents area, which is for now the only fundamental supporting element in the near vicinity. So this is the support they're saying right here, where the downtrend is meeting the uptrend pretty much. And that is where we're looking at our support for. Now we're already at 23.82. mind you, this article was made earlier today around 3 p.m. GMT. I'm really bad with time zones, so I'm inside Eastern time. So whatever 3 p.m. GMT is, that's where it was made. It's 8:33 p.m. right now where I'm at. But yeah, Doge is probably gonna end up hitting that 18-cent support. So definitely prepare for the worst. I mean, 20-cent support, very nice. 18-cent support, even nicer. I'm a big advocate of everything going down so I can buy the dip. And I hope you all are too, because that's really where real money is made. But anyways, let's move on to the next thing. So we do see there's whales looking at this as a buying opportunity as well. This person came in $95.7 million earlier today. Now they only have 93.1, but if they sell out, they'll lose it. If they stay, they're going to make more money. Dogecoin hits $1, they got $397 million off of their $95 million. So that's good news. Now over here, this Dogecoin will. They came in $71.4 million yesterday. Now today, they have 64.7 million. So they lost a little bit of money. Not a little bit. They lost a lot of money. They lost $7 million. But they only lose if they sell out. They can keep that money if they keep all their money in there. Now this Dogecoin whale is like, nah, I'm not gonna watch my money go down. They lost $1 million, went from 29 million to 28.5, practically 5, or pretty much $500 million or $500,000 they lost. But they weren't really worried about it. I guess they sold out immediately and just took a 500K loss. They took that L, and now someone's gonna buy a brand new condo with that in Miami. But anyways, then we got this whale over here. Came in $18.4 million earlier today. Now they have $17.5 million. So right now, a lot of whales are doubling down on this. They're seeing this as a buying opportunity. This is definitely a good dip, but I definitely believe it's going to dip a little bit more. As you can see, we're inside the red supply and demand area, showing we have less demand for Dogecoin. Look at this. These highs are becoming lower. These lows are becoming higher. It's consolidating. And this is pretty much going to lead to another dip down here if we cannot break this resistance, if we cannot get more volume into cryptos in general, not even just Dogecoin. So I'm gonna make a whole overall crypto market video, and I'm gonna go over the infrastructure and all that. I'm probably gonna do it tomorrow because I'm tired right now. It's 8:35 p.m. Just got off of a 12-hour shift, worked all day today, literally, literally all day. But anyways, this was my off day, and I decided to go in for that overtime because I'm telling you, I'm trying to buy this dip, and I'm getting as much money as I can. And you all know about that overtime, time and a half definitely looks nice. So when you get a whole 12 hours on there, all that money is going into crypto. And that's exactly how I'm going to play this. But yeah, anyways, this is all I really got for the video today. I just wanted to go over this and let you all know what's happening. I'm not one of those YouTubers that are just going to be like, everything's all right. Everything's all right. We're about to shoot straight to the moon right now. No, we're not going to do that. This is a retracement period. We're on a little bit of a downtrend. It's going to be a short-term retracement period because there's nothing changed. Nothing changed in crypto. Nothing really changed with our taxes, except now exchanges have to report people's taxes or they have to report people to the IRS if they're like depositing 10,000 or more. If they have 10,000 or more in their brokerage account, now they got to report that to the IRS, which I already explained in my video why that made everything go down. Because people are trying to avoid taxes, and that's the same people you see selling out now. They're trying to reallocate their money, probably trying to send it offshore or something like that. But yeah, anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support this channel, definitely go ahead and send a Cash App or PayPal donation through the donation link in the description. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.